Purchasing a quality used car at Enniscorthy Motor Co offers you extra peace of mind. All our used cars go through a comprehensive 110-point check and are fully serviced in our workshop. We carry out an independent vehicle history and mileage check, and we offer a minimum comprehensive 24-month warranty on all of our quality used cars. As a main dealer, we can offer you market-leading used car finance rates. We have our own in-house business manager who can assist and guide you through your finance application. We have very strong relationships with all the main finance companies and will work tirelessly to get you the best deal. Our dedicated sales team are on hand to answer any questions you may have. We're open Monday to Saturday from 9 AM to 6 PM. Test drive your next car at Enniscorthy Motor Co, and thank you for supporting a local business.